Hello friends, welcome to BJ's teaching. Today we have to learn if clause or conditional clause. If clause, is a subordinate clause. Before learning if clause, we have to know types of sentences. Sentence is of three types. One is simple sentence. Another one is compound sentence. Then third one is complex sentence. Let's know how the simple sentence is structured. Simple sentence consists of only one clause. That clause is independent clause. And the compound sentence consists of two independent clauses, two main clauses. Two independent clauses joined by coordinating conjunction. Then complex sentence consists of only one main clause MC and one subordinate clause, that is SC. Or maybe more than one subordinate clause or clauses. For example, he entered into the room. This is a simple sentence. It consists of only one independent clause. It independently gives its complete sense. He entered into the room. Then second sentence, you see, he entered into the room and closed the door. Here it is a complex compound sentence, and joins two independent clauses. And he entered into the room when his son was watching TV. That is complex sentence. He entered into the room is one clause. This is main clause MC. When his son was watching TV, this is SC or subordinate clause. When is the subordinate or subordinating conjunction. But and is the coordinator conjunction. Your friend will come if you invite him. This is complex sentence. Your friend will come, that is main clause. If you invite him, that is subordinate clause. It is keeps condition, that is called as a conditional clause or if clause. If is used as a subordinator or subordinate conjunction in the subordinate clause. Next, let's look types of subordinate clauses. One is noun clause. Secondly, it is called as adjective clause or relative clause. And third one is called as a adverb clause. Then these three types of clauses are called subordinate clause. They are used in the complex sentence. In complex sentence, we can find one main clause and one noun clause or relative clause or adverb clause. But if clause that comes under adverb clause, it keeps condition. Okay, it can express time, place, condition, etc. If you go to Puri, you will see Lord Jagannath. If you go to Puri, keeps condition, it is subordinate clause. If is subordinate, you will see Lord Jagannath is main clause. If clause is used in different situations, there are four types of conditions. Type 0, if plus is plus present simple, comma, is plus present simple tense. Okay, when the situation, when the condition states scientific truth or fact, general truth or fact. For example, if you hit ice, it melts. If you hit ice, this is a subordinate clause. It melts. This is main clause. If you hit ice, is the subordinate clause. If is the subordinator, it states a condition. That's why it is called as conditional clause or if clause. Okay. Next, condition type 1, E plus S plus present simple tense, comma, subject plus will oblique shall oblique can plus first form of the verb. It is used in possible situation. In future, it may happen or not. When the condition is possible, the incident may happen or not. For example, if you do hard labor, you will get success. If you do hard labor, that is if clause. If, then subject you, then do, present simple form of the verb. Then main clause, you will get success, will plus get. I shall not go to school if it rains. If it rains, that is if clause. Then if plus subject it, then present simple tense V1 plus S range. Here type 2 condition formula if plus S plus past simple, that is V2 second form the verb, then comma subject would or could or might plus V1 first form the verb. When there is imaginary condition, imaginary unreal condition, if wishes were horses, beggars would ride them. If wishes were horses, beggars would ride. If wishes that were horses, subordinate clause, that is if clause. Where is the past simple? Would plus ride. If I had wings, I could fly in the sky. If I had wings, that is if clause or conditional clause. It is an imaginary situation. And if type 3, E plus subject plus had plus PP, dot comma S plus would or could or might plus have plus PP. Unfulfilled condition in the past, when the condition is not fulfilled in the past, but in present is possible, may be possible. If you had asked me, I would have answered you. You did not ask me, I did not answer you. If you had asked me, that is conditional clause, if clause. He could have got first class if he had worked hard. If he had worked hard, that is if clause or conditional. Okay, thank you.